again. Anyone who takes offense at a day in your celebration, 'cause we all know in our lives that there ought to be a time that we can set aside to show just how much we love you. And I'm sure you would agree, it couldn't fit more perfectly than to have a world party on the day you get to be. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I only like and I don't need no help. Gotta be the bitterness, complex pair. Something gon' wild, can't handle this player. Pop for the club, arrogant like yeah. Top like money, so the girls just bail. One too many, y'all know me like 12.
Never understood how a man who died for good could not have a day that would be set aside for his recognition, because it should never be just because some cannot see the dream as clear as he, that they should make it become an illusion. And we all know everything that his stupid time will bring, for in peace our hearts will sing, thanks to Martin Luther King.